Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. So I know you guys are really worried about your shaky videos and you want to change it, and people are always saying that your videos are really shaky and you have to change it or you are not going to get any views or likes and all. And there is a solution with me to stabilize your videos, and I'm going to show you that product in this video, including how to buy this product, where to buy this product and all. So stay tuned and watch the full video.
Well, I'm no one's fool.
Showing you my gimbal, let me show you something because you need to know what is the difference between taking a video using a gimbal and taking a video without a gimbal. So let me show you that. So this is how I got this product from Amazon, and I will leave the link in my description so that you can buy this product easily through my link, and then I will show you the parts of this product and how to use this product. So this box was inside that bigger box of Amazon, and this product is called gimbal, and it's called portable gimbal stabilizer, and it is used for stabilizing the video as you saw in my first footage. And before showing you the gimbal, I will show the things which was there in the small box. There was a USB cable for charging the gimbal, and it is not a C-type charger. It is a normal type charger, and it's also available with this product. But you don't have an adapter. You need to have an adapter for charging this product. And there is a small catalog available with this, and it will help you use this product. It will help you know how to open this product, how to make it a tripod, how to use the selfie stick, where to get the remote and all. And I will show all these things in my video also. It is also written in Chinese language. Now let's move into our main product, and it's called gimbal. It's called 3-in-1 gimbal stabilizer because it can be made into a tripod, a selfie stick or a gimbal, and it's really lightweight and it is very small, so you can carry it everywhere in your bag. And there is a space here where you can insert your smartphone. It is adaptable with almost all kind of smartphones like Android, iOS and all. And my phone is Samsung Galaxy M20, and it's really good for that phone and for almost all kind of phones. And you can adjust the size of this small phone inserting area by just pulling it to the side, so you can insert any kind of phone, even it's a little bit wide or small or anything, it can be adapted into this space. The angulation of the gimbal can be adjusted very easily because there is a knob or a screw like thing, and you have to adjust that to make it into the angulation you want to use. And see, this knob is used for that, and when you loosen it you can just adjust like this as you like, and when you tighten it the gimbal will not move again, it will be fixed to that position itself. Now let me show you how to use this gimbal to make a tripod. So at the back of this there is a handle, which we usually use this handle as a handle for the gimbal. But when you want a tripod, at the bottom there is a triangular area, and you have to open this up, and there will be 3 leaves which will make a tripod. So this is a handheld tripod, and it is used for making videos like food review videos for your fans or something, where you place your tripod on your table and talk to it. And again you can just place this leaf as before, and your tripod is gone and your gimbal is back. Now let's move into the next section. This thing you see here is the remote, and I'll show you how to remove this later. Now let's just long press this camera button and you can see the blue light is blinking. This means that you have to pair your phone, that is Bluetooth pairing, and this will help you take selfies when we use this as your selfie stick. But if you didn't pair your phone for 5 minutes, then automatically the gimbal will shut down and the blue light will go. Okay, that's it. Now let me show you how to take out this remote. Just press hard on the remote and it will just come out like this. This remote is a kind of remote which works on battery and you have to change it when the battery dies off. And this switch in that is used as a switch for both selfie stick and for the gimbal. When you are using the gimbal and you want to stabilize it in a horizontal or a vertical position, then just fix the camera in horizontal, then click on this button, then it will automatically stabilize the position. Now let me show you how to make this gimbal into a selfie stick. So there is a button here. Let me show you. There is a locking button here. It can be slided in two positions. One is lock and one is unlock. When you unlock this button, you can easily slide this and extend the metal rod into a 3-tier position. You can see the picture above. This is the maximum length of this tripod and that is a 4 times bigger one, and you can use this to take selfies using that remote. And after adjusting your length of your selfie stick, and you have to adjust the camera in horizontal or the vertical position, you just have to adjust your camera in horizontal position and then lock the locking button. Then it will be stabilized and it will not move again into a vertical position and you can take your selfie smoothly. Now let's move into the main part, and that is the gimbal part. You can see there is a switch here in this head. You have to long press this and then a green light, you can see a green light appeared, and this means that your gimbal stabilizer is on. You have to attach your phone in this space and then you have to lock this. If you lock this, then you cannot move this. It will act as a selfie stick, so you should not lock it. Then you can see I'm rotating this as I like, and when I find my position, that is horizontal or vertical, then I have to click on that camera button in the remote and this will be stabilized. I will show you how this gimbal and the handle works in the last of this video, and I will show you how I am using this gimbal. You can see how I held this gimbal. It can be extended or positioned or angled or anything, and this is the USB plot where you can use your charger to charge, and this is the motor of this gimbal. Now let me show how I use this gimbal. So thanks for watching my videos. Keep watching my videos, watch my henna videos and my travel videos, and give me feedback in my comment box, and also subscribe to my channel and press the bell button for all the notifications of my new videos. So see you in my next video. Bye.